I'm chilling, and tonight is all about, I ain't cooking shit tonight. Oh, but if y'all want to watch me make them these nice ass bologna sandwiches with chips, I guess they gonna get Kool-Aid or some water. Shit real tonight, baby. Bologna and cheese. Please, anybody feeling sorry for me though, cause I don't eat bologna. Only when I go to jail and I don't go no more, alright? Come take your girl out like y'all been doing. Hell, I wouldn't mind some I have that though. Come take me to Waffle House.
Waffle House, everybody.
For real, please.
What
Take me to Waffle House.
Everybody take me to Dennis, y'all. Everybody take me to McDonald's.
I'll give you a good hug.
Why
wouldn't I make my video? Y'all be fucking with me. This is my TV time, baby. It's almost time. This is Red TV show. Late night shows. No kids allowed. Man, get... Bitch, go to bed. Anyway. Yeah, this shit girl red. I'm crying out saying I nigga don't want to feed a bitch. Cause you know when test time come, a bitch coming to my P where it is. P where it is. Bitch, oh ain't that? Mine's in jail. J-Pay, bitch. Now, but I make an exception though. Come feed a real bitch. Test time come, nigga know I'm sweet.